Hello everyone. Welcome to our next topic in Power BI course. In this video, we'll be delving into the world of data warehousing and exploring how it integrates with Power BI from Power Query and ETL processes to star schema, modeling and integration with AI. We will cover a range of concepts that are essential for leveraging the Power BI and data warehousing solutions. So let's get started. The first part is the data warehouse integration with Power BI. A data warehouse is a central repository of integrated data from multiple sources, organized for analyzing and reporting. Power BI seamlessly integrates with data warehousing solutions, allowing the users to connect to the data warehouses such as SQL Server, Azure Synapse Analytics, Snowflake, and Amazon Redshift. This integrates enables the users to access and analyze the large volumes of data stored in the warehouse directly within the Power BI, empowering them to gain the insights and make some informed decisions. The next one is the Power Query and ETL processes. Power Query is a powerful data transformation tool in Power BI that enables the users to extract, transform, and load the ETL data from various sources. With Power Query, users can clean, reshape, and combine the data from disparate sources before loading it into the data model. This facilitates the ETL process required for the data warehousing, ensuring that the data is clean, structured, and optimized for analysis. The next one is the star schema modeling in Power BI. Star schema modeling is a common data modeling technique used in data warehousing. It involves the organizing of data into the central fact table surrounded by a dimension table, forming a star-like structure. In Power BI, users can create the star schema model using the modeling capabilities in Power BI desktop. This enables the users to build the relationships between tables, define the hierarchies, and create measures for analyzing and reporting. The next one is the direct query and import modes. Power BI offers two main data connectivity modes, direct query and import. With direct query mode, Power BI queries the data warehouses in real time, enabling the users to analyze the data without storing it locally. In import mode, data is imported into Power BI's internal data model, allowing for faster query performance and offline analysis. Users can choose the appropriate mode based on their performance and scalability requirements. The next one is integration with OLAP. OLAP, also known by online analytical processing, is another common data storage and analysis technology used in data warehousing. Power BI seamlessly integrates with OLAP cubes and models, including Microsoft Analysis Service, SAP BW, and Oracle Essbase. This integration enables users to leverage the existing OLAP investments and extend their analytical capabilities using Power BI intuitive interface and visualization tools. The next one is the Power BI Dataflows. Power BI Dataflows allows the users to build the data preparation and transformation processes into the cloud, enabling them to create the reusable data entities that can be shared across the reports and dashboards. Dataflow integrates with data warehousing solutions, enabling the users to ingest the data from multiple sources, performing ETL processes, and store the transformed data into a centralized repository for analysis and reporting in Power BI. The next one in the list is Power BI performance optimization. Optimizing the performance is very crucial when working with the larger data sets in Power BI and data warehousing environments. Techniques such as data models optimization, query optimization, and report optimization can significantly improve the performance. Power BI offers features like aggregations, query folding, and incremental refresh to optimize the performance and ensure that the fast analysis and efficient analysis is done. The next one in the list is Power BI and cloud data warehousing. Cloud data warehousing solutions like Azure Synapse Analytics, Google BigQuery, and Amazon Redshift offer scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness compared to traditional on premises data warehouses. Power BI seamlessly integrates with these cloud data warehousing solutions, enabling users to leverage the benefits of the cloud for storing and analyzing the large volumes of data. The next one is the Power BI's query folding. Query folding is a performance technique which is used for optimization in Power BI. It pushes the data transformation step back to the data sources whenever possible. This reduces the amount of data transferred to Power BI, resulting in a faster query execution and reduced memory consumption. Power BI automatically applies the query folding to these supported data sources, including relational databases and data warehouses. The next one in the list is Power BI and AI integration. Power BI integrates with artificial intelligence and machine learning services, which enables the users to leverage the advanced analytical capabilities for data analysis and visualizations. With features like AI visuals, Q&A, and automated insights, Power BI empowers the users to uncover the hidden patterns, trends, and correlations in their data, driving the deeper insights and smart decision making. The next one is the case study of Power BI in data warehousing implementation. You can search for a real world case study of a company that successfully implemented the Power BI with a data warehousing solution. We will discuss the challenges they faced, the solution architecture they implemented, and the benefits they achieved, such as improved data accessibility, faster decision making, and cost saving. You can search for these companies and look how they have implemented these things with the help of Power BI. The next one is the future trends with the help of Power BI and data warehousing. Finally, let's look ahead to the future of Power BI and data warehousing. We will discuss the emerging trends such as data mesh architecture, augmented analytics, and the convergence of BI and data science. We can explore how Power BI is evolving to meet the changing needs of organization and how data warehousing solutions are adapted to new challenges and opportunities in the digital age. In this video, we have explored a range of concepts related to the data warehousing solutions and integration with Power BI, from data modeling and ETL processes to performance optimization with AI integration. These concepts are essential for leveraging the Power BI effectively into the data warehousing environments. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding these concepts will empower you to unlock the full potential of Power BI for analytics and decision making. So, stay tuned for the next session. In the next session, we'll be taking a look at the introduction of Power BI. Thank you.